channel. Today we're gonna do a stuffed flank steak recipe and I am super excited about it and I hope you are too. All right guys, I just got home from work. I'm gonna go change my clothes real quick because I wanna be comfy and yeah, we'll get this show on the road. All right, so as you can see, the first step in the whole process is to get comfy because, I mean, you can't cook dinner in your work clothes. That's just a big no-no. Second is to wash your hands. So I'm gonna take off my jewelry. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick because, you know, germs. Nobody likes germs. Okay. So we're gonna make what's called a stuffed flank steak. We're gonna stuff it with broccoli and with cauliflower and cheese. We're gonna roll it all up and we're gonna cook it and it's gonna be so delicious. I'm gonna serve it with some instant mashed potatoes because life hack, that stuff's easy. And some steamed vegetables because again, life hack, that stuff's easy. So yeah, let's get this party started. First ingredient that I'm gonna get out is the frozen broccoli and cauliflower. I'm gonna pop this into the microwave for just honestly a few minutes. So it says like 6 minutes on the package. I'm gonna throw it in for like 5 minutes and then I'm gonna squeeze the crap out of it in some cheesecloth so that way all of the moisture isn't in the broccoli and the cauliflower. So that way when we roll it up in our meat, it doesn't get all soupy and soggy and gross. So that's what I'm gonna do first. Nuke this quick. Again, it's going in for 5 minutes because we really don't want it hot because, you know, we have to squeeze it, we have to put our hands on it. We just want it, you know, cooked enough to where it's gonna expel some of that water. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab myself a piece of cheesecloth too because this is what's gonna help us. Or I guess I need to cut myself a piece of cheesecloth. That's what I need to do. Alright, I really don't need a big piece. So we're just gonna cut some off. I got this at Walmart for like $2. I found it over in like the housewares stuff, so like buy the pots and pans and stuff, not buy like food. Not near the food at all. So it's just cheesecloth. So this is what they use to like make homemade cheese and wring all the way, all that liquid stuff out of the cheese. So we're gonna use it to wring all of the liquid out of our broccoli and cauliflower so we can stuff it inside some steak. I'm going to line my cutting board with some cling wrap because, you know, stop spreading diseases and germs and stuff. That's just gross. I'm still gonna wash this after I use it too, but like some cutting boards, well, cutting boards really that are made of plastic or that are made of wood can absorb things. So like, I just don't want my meat chilling on germy absorbent surface. You know what I'm saying? Hashtag health, guys. Health. That's what we're here for. Okay. And then I'm gonna get out my flank steak. And provolone cheese. So we're stuffing this bad boy with broccoli, cauliflower, and cheese. Oh, I'm so excited. Pretty much anything like broccoli and cheese, I mean, bring it on, right? Right. So I'm gonna open this, all the juices come out, and then I'm gonna spread it out over here. I'm gonna do something I never do, guys. I'm gonna touch the meat. So like, drained. Okay. Alright. There she is. She's beautiful. So it's just a big old thing of meat. And I'm doing this over a bowl just for like YouTube purposes. Normally I would just do it right into the sink, but like, you know, camera angles. Here we are. Just imagine that this was a sink, you know? Alright, food is ready, but like shouldn't be all the way ready, you know, because we only cooked it for like 5 minutes. Oh crap, it's hot too. I knew this was gonna happen. Okay. And we're gonna pour. Okay. And now we're gonna squeeze. And like, let's be honest, this is really hot. So I'm gonna grab a spoon. And then we're gonna use the spoon to push the water out. And I mean, it's kind of inevitable, you're never gonna get it all out. But like, you can squeeze until it's pretty dry. Or at least way less, you know, watery than it was in the beginning. It's a great spoon. Highly don't recommend these spoons. Maybe you should use a wooden one. Maybe you should wait till your broccoli and cauliflower cool so you can actually touch the stuff. Yeah, we're hardcore, right? Bring it up. Okay, all right, bad idea. Better idea. Use a mitt. Duh. Squeeze. And now, like, when you're squeezing, you're also kind of breaking the broccoli and cauliflower up a little bit, which is great for stuffing purposes. Yeah. See why we want to squeeze it? Maybe I need 2 gloves. Now you could be like total, you know, like green person and like save this liquid and like add it to your smoothies or something. So that way you like can get all the nutrients that are left behind. But like, I'm just gonna discard this and we're moving on. So next, we're gonna take our cheese, because you know, cheese is life. And actually, I feel like I need to pound it out a little bit. Meat tenderizing is always good, right? Guys, I'm winging this. Never done this before also. Just let me throw that out there. And I feel like this will just, you know, help it roll a little easier. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pound it out. I don't want to make it too much thinner by any means. I really just kind of want to make it even, because like this side is a little bit thicker than the other side. And if it makes it a little easier to roll, then you know, that's going to be nice too. Okay, so pounding out our meat a little bit. Again, this is a flank steak. I get my meat from ButcherBox. I'll leave a link in the description below for $30 off. I mean, anybody can use $30 off meat, right? I mean, meat's expensive, so like, might as well get some good quality meat for a little less expensive. Also delivered right to your door in like literally a matter of a day. It's awesome. Okay, so flank steak, going down, pounded it out a little bit just to even it out, not to make it obsessively thin. Man, I don't even know how many this is gonna make. So I'm just gonna start laying out cheese. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I feel like I'm gonna use 6 slices of cheese. I get regular deli style provolone cheese. This one's from Walmart. You don't want to overlap the cheese too much because we really just want to cover the surface area of the steak. Oh, looks like I just need one more. So my steak is large enough for 7 slices of cheese. So that's what I'm gonna put out. Then we're gonna take our squeezed, steamed cauliflower and broccoli, and we're gonna spread that out over the cheese. Kind of gets stuck in the cheesecloth a little bit. That's okay. All right. So you got like your little open-faced sandwich of stuff, right? Right. Okay. So now the fun part, I guess, is we're gonna roll it up. So initially I was thinking I was gonna roll this way, but to be very honest, I think I'm gonna roll this way because the thinnest part is down here and the thickest part is up here. So I feel like I'm gonna get a more consistent roll if I roll from the smallest part out, kind of like a reversed croissant, if that makes sense. So, ooh, before I roll it up, salt and pepper. You always want to make sure that you season your meat. I mean, you know, gotta have seasoned meat. Okay, now we're gonna roll it up. So again, from the smaller side up to the bigger side, and we really want to roll as tightly as we can. We don't really want to push out the stuffing. You know, we want to keep that in there, so try to keep it contained as much as you can. It's like a meat burrito. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Okay, we got it. Alright, we got it. We got a little bit of stuff falling out. That's okay. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna grab some skewers. Be right back. Also, sorry for like the really weird lighting. Oh God, I think that just might have made it worse. Did that make it worse? Did it make it better? I can't really tell. I guess I made it worse. Kind of like this a little bit better. Sorry if there's like weird shadows and terrible lighting. I'm not a pro, guys. I'm just a person. Really. That's it. Okay. So here we go. Grabbing some skewers. So now we're going to skewer through the, I guess the open end all the way through the middle. And that's that. And then we're gonna go down on there. And then we're gonna do the same thing. Now, I'm gonna slice this, so it's supposed to be like these cute little pinwheels. Kind of glad there's not more than 2 people in my family, because literally there's gonna be like 2 pretty ones, and then the rest of it is just gonna look like HE double hockey sticks. So, you know, good news, the rest doesn't have to be Insta-worthy. Okay, so we've got the skewers through the one side, which is wonderful. I don't think I have to do the other. So essentially we just have this gigantic meat roll, right? With some broccoli and cauliflower that's falling out of it. Anyway, now I need to wash my hands and I need to grab a knife and then I'm gonna cut it and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna cut it kind of right below that first skewer. So that way we have like, you know, decent-ish portions of it. Come on. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay. And 2. Remember when I told you I hate touching raw meat? I hate touching raw meat. It's so gross. I also hate like hearing the sound. Okay. I'm just gonna stop. Anyway, keep going. Just keep cutting. Hopefully there's no vegetarians on my channel. I mean, I'm pretty sure they would have stopped watching by now. Let's be honest. Alright, cool. So then we have 4 pinwheels. And I am gonna cook these in my air fryer because 1, I don't want my, like, all my stuff to fall out all over the grill. And 2, I mean, everything's good in the air fryer, right? So, yeah. They look so pretty. There's one company I really want to sponsor me. It's probably the air fryer. I freaking love my air fryer. There's probably no greater invention in the world. I see all you people in your Instant Pots, right? I have an Instant Pot. You know where my Instant Pot is? In the basement. Why? Because I never used the freaking thing. I like made mac and cheese in it one time. I did rice in it one time. And then it went down in the basement because I was like, this thing, like, wasn't making pasta. I just, you know, not as practical in my opinion. I also love to line my air fryer with a nice piece of aluminum foil because less cleanup. Duh, right? Am I right? I mean, come on. I love less cleanup. I mean, work smarter, not harder. For real. Okay, and then, so we're gonna take our little rolls and we're just gonna place them in here. Oh, no. They're gonna fit these stupid skewers. No, they're not. Please hold while I trim my skewer. Oh, God, I don't even know if I can. There we go. Here we go. Splinters for everyone. Okay, is that? Let's see. Alright. Success. All of us fit around the air fryer. We have ample room around the sides of us so we can all get crispy and delicious and all that good stuff. I'm gonna pop this into the air fryer on just the steak setting, honestly, and just keep an eye on it. I don't think I'm gonna flip them, only because I don't want all my stuff to come out. And yeah, I will show you guys when they're all done. Woohoo! We're cooking. I'm so excited. They look so good. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you make this recipe. Let me know in the comments down below if you do. Please subscribe to this channel and follow me over on Instagram at ConsistentlyCourtney. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.